Hey folks, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Wanted to take a few minutes and show you an awesome opportunity here today to own this just traded in 2018 Everglades 243. Now folks, if you know anything about Everglades, this is their flagship model boat, okay? It's in this unique color that they only made a limited edition run with, which is very unique, very awesome. As we walk back here to the transom, the back of the boat, you'll see that it's equipped with the Yamaha 300 four-stroke engine. Notice the color, matching color Mohawk on top of the engine, really gives it a nice appeal. Also notice, does come equipped with a power pole. That's a nice feature to have. Got your trim tabs, got your swim ladder. Lots of features on this boat, folks. Let's climb aboard and look at a few things. Oh, hey folks, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. I'm aboard this 2018 243 Everglades up here on the upper station. Oh, for you guys and gals that like to fish for cobia and sight for cobia and, oh my gosh, tuna, any other pelagic species, well, you really got a bird's eye view up here. Wanted to point out and note that up here on this upper station, it is equipped with a 9-inch Garmin screen. You can also actuate your power pole from up here in the upper station, and you can control your stereo, your Fusion stereo up here as well. So we've got lots of room up here, folks. Have a shotgun rod right here, or flatline stick right here. It goes off, you can just grab it right here. Lots of room up here. Stand up, sit down, relax, drive the boat. Man, it's awesome. Let's go down below. Let's point out a few other things. Okay, here we are down below on this 243 Everglades. Lots of room here in the cockpit for fishing. Note in the center of the 2 bucket seats back here, huge live well for all of your live bait. Notice the nice high back bucket seats. And of course, you can put these down and use for your casting platform if you're fishing in the bay. It's also important to note that this boat only drafts 16 inches, so you can do a lot of bay fishing in here. But mind you, with the hull design with Everglades, you can take this 50 miles offshore as well. As we walk here up to the helm, notice the nice Coleman bolsters. When you're bottom fishing, you have the bolsters to lean on. Nice helm seating here. Does come equipped with a 12-inch Garmin GPS and bottom sonar machine here. Your CL5 Yamaha display. You've got all of your controls right here at your fingertips. Of course, actuate your rear power pole from back here. And I didn't point out, guys, this also has a jack plate there on the rear of the motor. So if you get in that shallow, skinny water, you can raise that whole motor up. So it's got the power pole, jack plate, and as we move forward, you'll see that it has the trolling motor too. But you can also see you got your center console, plenty of room for storage. If you wanted to put a porta potty down there, you could. We come up here to the bow of the boat, plenty of seating for lounging out the island at the sandbar. Of course, this is all a casting platform as well. This lifts up right here for a big fish box. Then you've got insulated coolers on both sides of the bow. Like I said, casting platform, you can take the cushions off if you want to. And as I pointed out, look at the trolling motor. So that, folks, this boat is equipped with everything that you need and would want to do on the water, from fishing to hanging out the island, sunset cruises, going to have lunch, dinner, going 50 miles offshore. Great opportunity to own a premier boat, 2018 243 Everglades. Come by and see me. This boat is available now. My name is Kenny Brown, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. You can reach me at 850-596-8108. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water.